Tired of scrubbing your car for hours? Stubborn dirt just won't budge, no matter what you try. Dragging heavy hoses around is exhausting and frustrating. Short cords limit your cleaning range every single time. Switching between cleaning tools wastes precious time. Meet the VEVOR electric pressure washer. 2150 PSI high pressure blasts away tough stains easily. 125 GPM water flow means faster, more efficient cleaning. 5 nozzles let you tackle any cleaning scenario. Choose from 0 day, 15 dig, 25 days, 40 day, or turbo for every job. The turbo nozzle is perfect for washing your car quickly. Lightweight at just 14.55 pounds. Carry it with one hand. No more heavy, awkward machines slowing you down. 20-foot hose and 35-foot cord give you ultimate reach. Clean patios, fences, furniture, and windows with ease. All accessories store neatly on the machine. No more searching for missing parts or tangled cords. Quick Connect system means setup takes seconds. Start cleaning right away, no complicated instructions. Let's see the difference in action. Before, caked on mud covers your car's wheels. After, wheels shine like new in just minutes. Before, patio stained and grimy after winter. After, patio looks fresh, ready for summer gatherings. Before, fence covered in dirt and algae. After, fence restored to its original color. Before, struggling with short hoses and tangled cords. After, move freely, clean every corner with ease. Before, multiple tools clutter your storage space. After, everything stores compactly on one machine. VEVOR makes cleaning faster, easier, and more effective. No more back-breaking scrubbing or wasted time. Enjoy spotless results on cars, patios, furniture, and more. Lightweight design means anyone can use it comfortably. 5 nozzles adapt to every cleaning challenge. Extended hose and cord reach everywhere you need. Simple storage keeps your space organized. Ready to upgrade your cleaning routine? Stop struggling with old methods and heavy machines. Choose the VEVOR electric pressure washer today. Experience powerful, convenient cleaning that just makes sense. Order now and see the difference for yourself.